Ola tuntum video chuanin kan politician te hianin saptawng an thiam to kem ti chungchang te kan thlir ho lenga RNZ dei sei ti tho khanin heting chungchang hi ron upload na sa khop maya thlir cha kom tak tak te pawma amaro chu chungzinga chuanin to na mi hi karon thlang chuak de ubika adang pokon lar ek tho tura ngaila engponi se to na screen kan mu bik hi in en chinteng o
Chairman, and the Honorable Chairman, sir. Yeah, I'm from the state of Mizoram. From the state of Mizoram. I am the tribal MP. Honorable Home Minister said that the tribal people in Manipur are Myanmaris. We are not Myanmaris. We are Indian. We have been living there before British administration. We have been living 200 years. We are not. Before British administration. We have been living 200 years. We are not before British administration. We have been living 200 years. We are not.
State of the second time.
English kha han chu tenga han moile nal khani lem lawa ma se ka soi fo thinang in English a moile nal hi ni ringot lawa kan du ang kan soi chho thei chona thamai tun apo khanin kha namdang rol ho jinga tikhana thiam ang angin ros azu mangveya kutte pon beng hlo nge nge ni athu soi kha aro puya British hoin min op ma kum zani vel liamta khanin kan lo om dei to ni Manipur tribal te po ki mi ringot hi tribal ani chuang lo ti kha aron soi ni do bermaya engponi se hei pu sabdang aron langa
he's always saying his dream.
This way something also.
He's saying his dream. Then
anauru riau mai rante ke bokari ro lom che ni ke atira ana English kha aron nawang reng ngel khop maya
Will it come reality?
no, I don't think he will not come again.
What the people's
It seems from the movement of the people, the same government will not come again, because anti-incumbency wave is
the same government will not come again.
very much at this time.
Sir, there's a refugee issues from the people of the Myanmar and the Manipur also.
Refugees or non-refugees, some people come from outside. They are Mizos. As far as they are Mizo, we have to treat them as Mizos, as a locality.
So it will be unification. It will be unification of all the Mijos. Will it be any unification process will be held?
No. See, some people come from Manipur. Some people comes from Myanmar. If they are Mizos, they have to treat them as Mizos. They may be our brothers, sisters. We cannot give them different treatment.
Sir, one other issue is that
So how
Tuna khanin pu sabdang kha chu ka bei sei alo sang lo boka tin ka bei sei apha chuang lo boka a English chana na khanin du thu chu samche lo ni maro chu tong thei lo chu ni chuang lo ba ti mai teng adu ang chu soi theya ma se midang chu apha lo do hlek ani kha abikin kan chief minister masata puzoram thanga kha chu a ne mia khop me ni kha chu ka video masa po khan inon fak viewin ka shiani kha chu a thiam thlot ani machine guns ti velan soi chho mi mai kha chu pui rem takani ringot me khalai chho kha chu ole hei purbadro moya arun langvelea engemo antoni henleng
is the Mizoram government planning to promote tourism in Mizoram?
Mizoram government headed by the you see legendary leader, Mr. Zoram Thanga, is so committed to promote tourism in Mizoram. And it is universally accepted that Mizoram is unexplored paradise. There are lots of
RNZ they say ti English misang takani karinga ax engeni a subject po hi English ani hil mai thei boka ka hrechiang lo maro chu hei tuna hianin kan hmuang hianin phrase rang le I khang English thumal common lo tak tak an man thina kha aron note chu ka tikhian Mizoram is unexplored paradise hanti te po khi chep nal ve khop mai kan sport minister chuakta
untapped tourism opportunities in Mizoram. Government of Mizoram has enacted Mizoram Responsible Tourism Policy in 2020. And this is the first of its kind in India also. So we are planning to make tourism responsive and also, you see, more participatory for the people. I'm sure that with these legislations and all subsequent formulations of rules, regulations, guidelines, norms, etc., Mizoram is all set, and Mizoram is ready to start comprehensive, you see, development and sustainable development in the field of tourism. During the planning commission time also, the planning commission has given, you see, a focused attention for
Some are anchors, or some are
kabise ain robot ro moya purba ro moiron chethaje ka aniang generation hi chu kan sei tak fo wang khanin English man na tur hi tun apo tam chuang lo anni hun la yang pe ka chona tam don lo wa ma se chuti chung chuanin aron soi thavio maya kabise ron khum khop mai hei je ron lang velea
players, I mean footballers like you. So how do you see about this entire team? It's a mixed bag.
Yeah, see, this is a new movement, and what do you call the people? Bipui Sarkar. It's like a people government. So I think
kalau rin lok ang deuh tak takin ti vel kha atam vio maya ni ya khian mizo hi ani shim hai thil hi han ngai to chok zung le han soi chok zung chi kan ni lo boka ke ma po hen ka reaction han karon soi na sa karon ti tel na sa ti ka sia han ti velang chi te hi mo chu kimi jejel peklu po hen ron man na sat karinga English angat phei chon ti ani hi a vocal tone hi vin de mut ang hen lang training ka sia tu na po trol na pakhatalo oma chuta chonin kan tam pa biel tu pu lalin tlonga sai lo ati de wak maya khalai ka aron lar khop maya vocal tone po hit injir thailo chuni lawa kan chong thluk te awar hun te expression te hun lo te ka theng kha injir do lek ngai ning ka sia English shim makhi kalangai thla thui lo maya han ngai thla thui do lekila ti ve kha chu atamang reng khop mai
What do you see about this entire team? It's a mixed bag.
yeah, see, this is a new movement, and what do you call the people? Bipui Sarkar. It's like a people government. So I think ZPM stand for the people of Mizoram. So that's why every person can become a MLS or the legislative member. So I think this is what we call the Bipui Sarkar.
So how do you see this transformation from a footballer to a politician right now?
Yes, I used to tell my friends and all. Right now, I used to talk with my teammates. And see, I think I don't see much different compared to football and politics. In football, we are playing lots of politics, and we are fighting for each and every game for the first 11. So, and when I play the game, I try to score goal, and there's a 11 defender. So there's 11 defender. I try to score goal, and in the same in the politics, I fight with this election.
ren zetin ran soi thiam thei veu me ki si pai saptawng ang vel aron tia vocabulary kha anei nga vak lo ron ti boka ni English thiam tur anga kan lan don chon le English thiam ni don chon vocabulary tam tak kan hriat te ponga ya tin words thumal kan hriat tam em mangai bokani tuna hen je thu soya khan in chu tenga nga han aril le engi mo view kharon lem lova ma se hei hi chu ka be sei ap aron phakhop mai puje jela peklu ero hi chonin atu mangkha soi thaya adu anga soi thaya kha kha a thane
I fight against with three candidates. They are very, very good, and they're doing really well for the community. So it's really tough, but for the help of God.
Yeah, first of all, I
pulal nun mo ya chuaw ngawaron langani hi thiam tura karin ani
thank the organizers of World Utility Summit for giving me opportunity to be here. When Mr. P. Umasankar, who had been our leader, the quality has to be improved. It has to be continuous three-phase power supply with stable voltage. When that was achieved, though, see, opposition was rampant, people were sitting on dharna for months together. But this was pushed through, and when the people actually realize that this is better, even the farmers find that it is much, much better, situation become much better with the same set of powers, generation capacity available with us. So everybody come on board. That was one area, and as a result, when we can supply reliable power supply, round-the-clock three-phase power supply, then industrial and other economic activities improve.
afa thiam ve pulal nun moi chaw ngau tun hi English a thu soi ka voi khat ngai thlakna aniam o ama ka longai thatoim ka hrachiang lova ma se ka hriat reng tlak turang thil ka longai thani poin a soi lo ni me the ma se tuna ero hi chonin a soi thakop mai English alo thiam na roe 9.5 RNZ lampang khanar pe a 9.5 ka pe ka phu ani solid chu ni big love
Reliable power supply, round-the-clock three-phase power supply, then industrial and other economic activities improve.
pulal than hola lo langa
I have never encountered racism in India. I have never said that.
Sir, would you say that you've been misquoted there, sir?
I do not know. Or rather, they have deliberately misquoted me to malign me.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
I've never experienced any racial discrimination in this country.
Thank you very much, sir.
I've never said that also. Okay.
Well, let's take a listen to what he has said earlier. And he said, I quote,
Now just
thiam khop mai pu la than hola po ani po ha ka bei sei san po la nia an thiam ka ti hian in hei ka soi je chu ke chuan in an pronunciation an thulam chho da na kha an na lem ti lam pang kha ka da poimo ka da first lova English kha an mang na lem an thiam to kem ti kha chu kha vocabulary an man thiam lo te an tong kau che hausa em ti te kha an thiam lo te na to zong nin ka hria ti chon hei van lel sai lo lang ve nol maya ani hi chu MLA hana ting talova ka be sei hi ka se thiam lo ani hi aron be no view in ka ringa ma se chu tiang ma be sei ka nei sang chong lo ma hen chu tiang min be sei ka nei sang lo
having a shooting. I'm Valal Sailova, I'm your, I don't know who am I from you. I think I'm your friend. I'm your Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will sing.
You should get.
Okay, I sing the song called "You Raise Me Up," so I can stand a mountain. Everything is just kidding, you know. I'm not a gay.
The honorable, they push.
Kan react man tak le ne mo le ron wong lu tu ka sayang tak in ron no nal view me ma se English shim ma kha chon ka be sei chu sang em lo wa tu na thu ron sei kha chu hau em mai bokamo em poni se hei kan em pi ron lang le ta hei anin ka sia voice ta ka ron tong na kha
Back our policemen from our own post, and they gave firing order first before.
Mizo English timeng heti hen man ve mi mai tur nam dang ho singa po vai kan ti te heng nam dang kan ti te hi an mother language ani big lova an tong ani big lova chu wang chonin mizo hian in tlem chonin kan ngam lo de lek thinin che ta ma se hei kan MP pu ve nang hi ni tur tong ve pop mai tur ani nam dang ho singa chon
Before we fire them, they are lucky that we don't kill them all. If they come again, we shall kill them all.
That was Mizoram MP K. Vanlal Vena issuing a public death threat to the Assam police. He was speaking to national media on the unprecedented border crisis between the two states of Mizoram and Assam. He told the media that the Assam police pushed back the Mizoram police from their posts and gave the firing order first. In a charged speech standing right outside the Parliament of India, he also said that if the Assam police force does that again, all of them will be killed.
Result a hen pakhat na pulal nun moya chongo ani hi chu awom khop maya thiama le pulal than hola ani pani kha an thiamang reng khop mai pulal than hola big ngat phei kha chu interview ania hei an motor chuang live interview thut khania in buat chaina name don mi lawa chu wang chonin ati that thlota ti chuanin pani na purba dro moi roi te ron mani poi ron chep fu thei view me tun tum na na kha chu ti chuan pathum na henin puke vanal ve na omle a palena je pangana vanal sai lova vanlal lai sai lova tinima vanal sai lova le pusapa an result pe khi kapom zong takani mai emponi se khati zong khatun tum video chu ni sela English hi apoi mo ber kan ti hau lova amaro chu nam dang ne na kanin do don chu na poi mo ni chumi ai poi mo le chu Hindi ania national language kan ti hei tam tak chuan in national language kan ti hen kan lo sa thiam lo nge ka hrelowa India ram national language chu Hindi ti kha lo sa taila a thange hei kan thiam lo ni point English tal hi chu bel taka le du ang soi thei tur henin kan ram soi tu te panin bot sai ve hi thawme khati zong khatun tum video chuni photte se